how to delete your Honkai Impact account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually delete your Honkai Impact account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to actually delete your Honkai Impact account, first of all, you can do it from the game as well, but you can do it from the official website. So the very first thing you want to do is come to their website, which is honkaiimpact3.hoyoverse.com. I will make sure to drop a link below to go to this website, which is honkaiimpact3.hoyoverse.com, and then basically you will see this type of interface, right, where you have to just click on the button which says official website, as you can see over here. So basically when you click on the official website button, it will take you to this page where on the top right hand side you can see a little profile icon. Click on the profile icon here. Now you have to understand your Honkai Impact account actually runs from Hoyoverse. So if you're talking about deleting your Honkai Impact account, you have to delete your Hoyoverse account. So just log into your Hoyoverse account over here. Let me also go ahead and then do that respectively. Once I log into my Hoyoverse account, you will see this type of interface where you have to go to account security settings, then just scroll down to the bottom and then you'll find the option called requesting account deletion. Just make sure to click on requesting account deletion button. Now over here all you need to do is just click on the next option. Once you click on next, just verify your email. Once you verify the email and then just click on the send button over here, it will send a verification code to this specific email after you verify this captcha over here. So I'm going to go ahead and then simply verify this specific captcha here. Click on OK, then I will receive a code in my email, right? So basically all I need to do is just go to the new tab and then log into my Hoyoverse email that I used, and then over here you can see the verification code that I have received. I'm going to go ahead and copy this code. I'm going to come back and then paste this code here, then just click on the next button. Then after that all you have to do is just click on the OK button in order to delete your account, and that's all it takes to go ahead and then simply actually delete your Honkai Impact account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.